Alright guys, I just got this package from Wellman Auto Port that I order a replacement fog light for my 2019 Ford Expedition. Basically this driver side fog light broken during my last trip to Houston. Alright, let's go ahead and open this box. Here we are. Fog light. Basically do a visualize check right here. 13093 here. I see the port number rematch up value Ford OEM, so that's good. Also, I did call my local dealer and ask about this part. They charged $140 for a single fog light. This used part I order on eBay for $82 shipped to my house. So I made an offer to one guy on eBay for $70, and some reason that offer does not show up on my eBay account at all. So I made a second offer to another guy, which this is the second offer. It went through for like $85 for this unit in a great condition. That went through, and then I find out a day later the first offer on eBay went through, and so in the next couple of days I will be ending up with another fog light. So I was just gonna keep the other one for spare if I cracked it again, because these are glass, so it's really easy to get a crack if you get a rock hit, you know, goes into your headlight. So I'll just save the other one. I'm gonna start up my car to turn the wheel all the way to the right to have more space to remove the screw. We have 3 screws there. The screw size is 732 for the 3 screws right here. So I'm gonna take those off. There's a lot of dust coming out when you take this screw out, so make sure you don't have your eye too close, that the sand or the dust coming to your eye. Just gonna crawl underneath the car and take a look here. You can reach your hand up and undo the screw. It is 732 size socket. There will be 3 bolts total. We'll need to take out here. Bolt will be like this. Go ahead and undo the LED bulb here. It's my LED bulb. Put it down. Now I'm gonna remove the top screw. It is size 7/32 as well. So when you do this, it's gonna be much easier for you because you can probably do two hand without the camera in the way here. just once it's loose, I just take the socket out and put it on the head so that I can turn it out by hand. This is the bolt, and we got one more, so we'll gonna move out to take the last bolt. So you can see the hole that I coming down and then out. Now over this way you can see the bolt right there, so we just need to take that bolt out. I'm gonna use a 7mm socket on a swivel due to the angle here. It's helpful to have a swivel. Alright, that came out easily. Alright, so I can remove the fog light now. So many sand from the bottom, but you can see the fog light already coming off here from the top. Look right here. Alright, so we go back down here, and let's get this unit out. Like so, 2 unit. It's pretty much pre-mint condition. I've drove it for a while, so the reflector is kind of worn out. So, alright, let's go put the new one on. It seems like when they sell the used one, they rip off the original sticker. And the yellow tag there that we don't see on the new one, on this used one, but let's see, there's a tag right here. LD 2018. So it seems like the fog light I have here is made in 2020, and the fog light I have is built on 2018 because my car is 2019. So look like this is a newer version. The old one is made in Romania. This one is the same. Alright, let's get it in. It's about to rain on me right now, so I gotta do it quick. Pretty easy. Just need to put the bolt back on here. Now I just twist my LED fog light back in place here. And here we are, the replacement fog light is installed. Split tab right there. It's easier for you to take the other screw from the bottom and then this screw on the side here. Let's bolt this in. Find one other screw. Alright, right here. Last screw. Now the fog light replacement is complete. I'm gonna turn on the ignition and test the light, make sure it works and turn on. Nice. Mission complete. I hope this helped you replace your old fog light, guys. Please drop me a comment, like and subscribe to my channel. Bye now.